Welcome back. Today we're going to go over step number 3 of your 28-point air conditioning tune-up and system rejuvenation. Step number 3 is blower motor amp usage audit. So just like we do with your heating tune-up, we need to get inside here and make sure that your blower, when it's in air conditioning speed, is drawing the proper amount of amperage. If it's not drawing the proper amount of amperage, maybe it's over amping, that could cause premature failure in the blower, could cause windings to burn up, could cause damage to the circuit board, and we've seen those burn out in the relays before because the motor is drawing too much power. The biggest thing is it's going to cost you more on your utility bill, and also could be really noisy. So we want to make sure we don't have noise, we want to make sure we don't have damage, and we also want to make sure you don't overpay. So we want to get inside here, make sure this thing all works the way it's supposed to, and the amp draw is not too high. It's real important that you get that checked because we don't want to cause premature failure in your equipment. It's an inexpensive way to get a tune-up done to make sure that this is working right. Sometimes simple adjustments can be made to make it work better, and it just prolongs the life of your equipment. Especially when you follow that tune-up up with an annual maintenance program, is the best way to make this thing run really well. These things are really expensive to replace, they're expensive to repair, and we don't want to continue to damage equipment that doesn't need to be damaged. We don't want to go out and buy a car and not change the oil in it, because we all know what happens when you don't change your oil. The engine's going to go out. This is the same thing. We don't want to damage this and have it fail prematurely and have to buy another one. So please get your maintenance done. See you on the next video.